For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The Shiv Sena on Tuesday took a jibe at Prime Minister Modi and said that the Prime Minister had expressed confidence that the battle against COVID-19 would be won in 21 days. Sena said that it had been over 100 days and the crisis has only deepened. The fight against COVID-19 is more difficult than the mythological war of Mahabharat, an editorial in Sena mouthpiece Samna said. Shiv Sena further said that the battle against the pandemic would continue till 2021 as the vaccine for the disease was nowhere in sight. It expressed concern over India reporting the third highest COVID-19 cases in the world. The Sena said that it was unfortunate for the country to report over 25,000 COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. India has left Russia behind in terms of the number of cases. Samna also said that India will attain the dubious #1 slot if the number of cases continues to spike in this manner. The war of Mahabharat lasted for 18 days. Prime Minister Modi had exuded confidence that we will win this battle against COVID-19 in 21 days. But it has been over 100 days and the coronavirus still persists and those fighting it have become tired. Though patients are recovering on a large scale in Maharashtra, the situation in the state continues to be critical. Sena was citing the example of Thane district, which has been a COVID-19 hotspot. Maharashtra continues to stay perched on the top with the highest number of cases in the country. The Shiv Sena said several politicians, public representatives, policemen, health workers and other administrators were getting infected in large numbers. The coronavirus will be there for some time and we should learn to live with it. Without naming anyone or any party, the Shiv Sena said questions were being raised as to how many days the lockdown would continue. As soon as lockdown is relaxed, the messengers of coronavirus are right out there, the publication said. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has relaxed lockdown restrictions to some extent, but the threat is still not over, Sena added. Industries, economy and lifestyle across the country have been hit hard by the pandemic.